All right, everyone. So currently we are at an abandoned house in the middle of nowhere. This is definitely a Greek revival style house for sure. I'm predicting that this house got erected in the late 1800s, but obviously I don't know that for sure. I tried researching this location, found barely anything about this place, nothing whatsoever. But I would like to thank my buddy Jacob, another urban explorer YouTuber that has amazing videos. I asked for this location and he sent it my way. The reason why I want to share with you guys this location as well is because in his video, he had this very uneasy feeling while he was inside.
So I was actually feeling a little uneasy in here, to be honest, but just looked around a bit more and I'm all set. But I just had a little bit of an uneasy feeling, which I do get sometimes in abandoned spots.
Personally, I do not count feelings when I'm out investigating. It was not until a door slammed a couple minutes later that had me guessing if this place was haunted.
Oh, do you hear that? Scared the shit out of me. This thing just completely closed. I was like, what the Alright. Definitely feeling a little uneasy in this house.
I believe it's a draft. He believes it's a draft. So let's go find out if this place is haunted or not. My expectations are low. So, come on, let's go. Oh. Oh, okay. All right. You can come in. Anybody in here? Anybody in here? Come out now. If you try to scare me, I will kill you. Thank you. Took a little bit of determination. Yeah, it's gonna be a little perfect. Yeah, careful of the glass on the floor. Car coming. Come on, come through. Okay. Oh. There we are. All right, we made it. We frickin' made it. Ugh. All right, so I see a bird's nest over here. I know it's kind of random to say, but that's the first thing I found. Looks like there's a little bit of graffiti over here, so we weren't the only ones to encounter this location, obviously. All right, so this was, I don't even know what room this is. I assume it's like a dining room, probably. There's a lot of brooms. So what I think must have happened was maybe they were cleaning the place out while they were trying to remove the furniture and stuff. And Jesus Christ, okay. Yeah. That's what Jacob was saying, that orange juice right there. There must be a squatter that lives here or something, because the date says April 9th, 2024. That's next month. So I think a squatter might be chilling in here. Not today, obviously. Okay, what the heck is this? Random light? Yeah, all this, look at this debris. I thought there'd be like a fireplace here. The last remaining cabinet up against a wall. Oh, insulation's in there. Gross. We gotta be careful of fiberglass. That could get inside your lungs. And over time, that will rip apart your innards, basically. So we can't really breathe that in. What's in there? That's the bathroom? Random chair. Oh, there's debris everywhere. That door is interesting to design. The design on a door. What the heck? I assume this house, just by looking at it, it looks like something from like the late 1800s. Obviously, that's a prediction. I don't know when this house has been built, but it looks like late 1800s. Yeah, watch your step. This house looks crooked. Anybody up there? I'll go first, Annie. Okay. Oh, look at the walls. Completely gutted. Alright, so the door that Jacob was talking about, I believe was in this specific room. Well, not this room, it's this specific floor. I mean, you can see the backyard. The road over there. We are in a town that is filled with farms. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah. A lot of insulation over there. I'm not gonna go over there just to protect myself, but granted, being in this room is not going to help, to be honest. Contractor cleanup bags. What's up?
There's a plastic bag and a water bottle over there.
Interesting. I think that must have been really recent, to be honest. I'm trying to figure out what door it was that Jacob said that slammed by itself. Obviously, we think it's a draft. I think it's that one over there. I think we have to go past the insulation, Annie. Let's cover our noses and mouth. Yeah. Oh yeah, this we shouldn't be stepping over here because this floor is gonna be loose. It's not gonna be stable. Be careful. Is it this one? Oh, I don't know which one it is. It is this one. It's this room. Yeah. I believe it was this door. This is a fucking weird house. So you can tell that there's a lot of like weird cards and weird advertisements everywhere. You can see Christmas light bulbs and some fake pine. Whole bunch of weird debris everywhere. Yeah, it was this door. Yep, I remember because it had no knob. So what I think happened was, well, Jacob and I think that it was a draft, a window, right? Look at that. That window is open. So if there was, oh God, that's so bad. The insulation falling out right there. The wind would have pushed out right here and slammed the door like this, but
Oh, do you hear that? Oh, do you hear that?
interesting. So this door is the culprit. Breathing this in for a long period of time is scary.
So many trash bags. So many trash bags.
What do you think happened?
Oh, but what?
There's more trash bags up here? Yo, what? What do you think? Think it's anybody who resides here? Yeah, let's go up here. Fuck it. I don't think there's gonna be anybody there. Let me go first. This place looks disheveled. A little teapot. Nothing really much up here. Yeah, just bricks. A window with a whole bunch of vines protruding out of it. Oh, look at that damn floor. You could easily fall through. Be careful, Annie. Watch your step. Hi, my camera. My freaking camera. I'm going to open up my spirit box and see if I can contact anybody. The science of the spirit box is right down in the description if you guys want to know the science of it. We're gonna set some things up, run some tests. What's up?
Pick up your head.
Oh, wow. Guys, look what I'm standing next to. If I walked even an inch, my eyes would be not in a good state. This place is dangerous, Annie.
Very.
Oh, God. Yeah. I know, right? They're definitely not stable. It's pretty empty. It's bare bones. It really is just bare bones. Sorry, I didn't mean to flash you. Alright, we're going down the stairs right now. We're gonna set up a spirit box. There's one step that's pretty more narrow than the other, so watch your step up there. Alright, I'm setting up this camera to where the door slammed. We're gonna set this up right here. So if we do hear the wind, the microphone will catch it and we'll know that it's the wind that is causing the door to slam. Okay. Oh, the insulation's so bad. I can't breathe this in. I just want to stay away from insulation. That could kill my lungs and tear my lungs apart when I grow older. Okay. Just run some tests.
Scanning AM.
AM in reverse. Anybody in here? My name is Noah. What's your name? So nobody's here? I hear somebody. Tell me who you are. What's your name? I'm here to talk to you. I know you're here. It sounds like I'm talking to a little bitch. You want to come out? Were you the one slamming doors? Were you the one slamming the doors? I think it was the wind. Come on, you're not gonna talk to me? Come on, be a man. Show yourself. What's up? Oh, it seems like I'm talking to nobody. I'm talking to nobody. This one.
There's mold.
That's mold?
I don't know what that is.
Probably is.
That's bad.
I heard, yeah.
I heard something that said
I heard you say this one. Is that true? Is that you? Are you the little bitch? Are you the little bitch? I think you are. You don't have energy. This place isn't haunted. Come on out. Was this your home? Was this your home? No? Yeah? Come on. Wow. We got no balls. No balls. None. None. So if you're really here, can you do something? Can you push me around? Probably not, right? You're too weak. How did you die? How did you die? I'm going to remove this home, you know. I'm gonna take it down. So this house will not exist if you do not talk to me. So talk to me now or this house burns to the ground. Would you want that? Would you want that? Would you want your house to be burned to the ground? Demolished? Gone forever? Or would you want to reside here for just a little bit longer? The thing is, a place can be haunted and you can get absolutely nothing. We don't know with just this one ghost hunt. We need to do a full-on investigation and come here constantly to know if there is actually something here. But I'm gonna open up an EVP recorder, maybe test something there. Maybe they'll be able to talk to us there. I don't think this place is haunted, to be honest, but hey, it's only been 1 hour, so. Annie is currently outside, so if you hear some twigs moving or a little bit of stomping, that's her. So if we pick that up on the EVP recorder, that's what it is, basically. I hear noises upstairs, but that's just the building falling apart. If there's anybody here, can you please come forward, come down the stairs if you are upstairs? Or if you're downstairs, can you please walk up to me? Anybody up there? Anybody at all? Why did you die here, if you did die here? All right, let's listen to it. Nothing. We caught absolutely nothing through that EVP. Well, shit. All right, I'm gonna get out of here before my lungs collapse. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.